Hey everyone, Kenan at Primo RV here. Today is Feature Friday and I'm going to show you this Reflection 311 BHS. This camper is available at both locations. It's about 11,200 pounds and it's 37 feet long. Reflections are made by Grand Design and this is the best selling fifth wheel brand in the country. So we're really excited about it. So some of the features on here, we have this full automotive painted front cap. This is also a full turn radius, so you can make more turns and it's not going to catch the cab of your truck. That's really cool. And then coming a little bit further over here, see that we got a ton of pass-through storage right here. And this door is just so long. And we also got these slam locks on here. We can also see the thickness of this door, so everything in here is going to stay very warm and insulated, protected from the elements. We have a fully enclosed underbelly too, so that's going to be even more warmth and protection. And it just closes as easy as that. Let's keep on heading back. We can see we have a 13-foot awning for the front awning and a 10.5-foot awning for the rear. And both of those come with full LED strips underneath them, so maximum illumination at night when you're hanging out. And coming a little further back, we can see that we have a nice outdoor kitchen. So what a big outdoor kitchen on this camper. With the bunkhouses, you always get a good outdoor kitchen, and Grand Design spares no exception. So we got a nice grill right here, stainless steel, plenty of counter space up here. We have outlets. We actually have 4 outlets just right here, and a sink, plenty of storage up here, refrigerator, a taller refrigerator so you can store even more stuff in there, so that's really nice. And this door acts just like a roof or like a canopy, so that's really nice too. So coming a little further back, we can see some features back here. We got a nice ladder, so to get up on the camper, clean your slides off, you know, any type of maintenance that you need to do, that's very important to maintain your camper. And we also have a 2-inch receiver hitch right here. Now this is rated to pull 3,000 pounds and it's rated to carry 300 pounds. So if you want to get like a basket or whatever to carry some extra ice chests, bikes, whatever, 300 pounds. And you can also pull like a little boat or whatever you want to. So that's really cool. Last thing that I want to mention on the outside over here are we have these Goodyear tires. So the Reflection series, all of them come with the Goodyear tires, the Solitudes as well. And Grand Design just wants to minimize your chances of having a problem or a blowout, so they fix you up with the good tires. Let's head inside. Guys, here we are inside the 311 in the living area, in the kitchen area. We got plenty of counter space right here. We also have these extra counter sink covers, and these can be used as a cutting board or home defense. And we have a nice stainless steel single basin sink. So after you finish cooking outside on the outdoor kitchen with the big pots and pans, come in here, wash them off, and it's going to be a lot easier with the no divided sink. You're going to have a lot more space. So we can see we got the 3-burner stove right here, and it's set up a little bit differently to where it's just 1, 2, 3 instead of like the kind of triangle, so it's a lot easier to fit all your pots on there. We got an upgraded 22-inch oven right there and a double door fridge. So everybody likes the space of the double door refrigerators, and this one is going to be able to be powered while you're going down the road with the gas option too, so that's really nice. We also have a really nice pantry right here. So, and you saw the motion light, so whenever you open this, the light's automatically going to come on. Plenty of space for food. And then lastly, we have some more counter space over here. I mean, always more counter space. All these drawers as well, so just tons of storage drawers. And you know, it's very comfortable when you have a spot for everything. Well organized camper, just much more easier. Let's talk about the living area. So here we have the booth. We can put this table down and make an extra spot to sleep. And I really like these big windows that we have too on the slide. That way you can see what's going on outside under the awning, see the nice view of the lake or whatever. We also got these nice recliners. Now these recline very, very far, and you have heat, massage, and a nice LED light under them. And you can see, you could really sleep in these too, and it's really nice that it's right across to the TV. So that's really cool. We got a nice electric fireplace right there, lots of different color settings. It's going to be really comfortable to have that heat on. You can just leave it on all day. You're paying for the electricity anyway. No need to use your propane. And you'll also notice no floor vents in the floor in the Grand Design. That's a Grand Design feature, and customers really like that. We have also, for rainy days, nice DVD player and radio already built in here. So let's check out the bunk room. So here in the bunk room, we got a nice half bath. So no need to walk through the whole camper to use the bathroom. You got everything right here. You also have this nice couch. So this couch is a trifold couch, so it actually folds out into a full-size bed. So if you need to sleep an extra adult, they're gonna be a lot more comfortable back here. We also have this nice extra bunk right here. It's rated for 300 pounds, and the mattress pad on this is a lot thicker than normal. That you can see how thick that is. Very soft too, upgraded teddy bear mattress. And the blinds in all of these campers are the roller blinds. They're the darkening roller blinds, so you're not gonna have to wake up at the break of dawn. Over here we can see this other bed. It's a little wider than the other one, and you also have the nice ladder system right here, so you can just climb up on here to get into the bed. We have a spot for a TV and extra drawers right there, so plenty of storage for your guests. Let's check out the bathroom and the master bedroom. All right, everyone, we're in the bathroom now. We got this nice glass door shower in the corner. Plenty of space. They added this nice net right here this year that's on the 2021s. We have a porcelain toilet right here, plus towel rack and extra cabinet right here. So more space for your towels and stuff. We also have a nice sink and Jack and Jill access. So that means I could get to the bedroom from the bathroom, vice versa. And also these this nice wardrobe slide. You got a lot more closet space, and so plenty of room to put your towels, blankets, all that sort of stuff. Let's go a little further into the bedroom. Here in the bedroom, we can see we got a queen size bed. This is an actual queen size bed. It's 60 by 80, and the edges on it are beveled, so you can get around the mattress a little easier. We can also see we got this nice air conditioner, second AC, that's controllable by a thermostat just for this room. And we have a nice wardrobe slide right here. This is going to give you a lot more closet space. So just to give you an example, you can see how deep that is. It's a lot deeper than most wardrobe slides that I've seen. And they have the nice mirror on them, plenty of desk area right here, and they don't leave out the roller blinds for over here. So darkening shades, so when you want to wake up, you're not going to have to get up as soon as the sun comes up. Plenty of closets over here too, under the bed storage, and just a really comfortable bedroom. Having that access to the bathroom directly to there just makes it a little more private for you. And so we really like this camper. So come check it out. It's at the Alexandria location and the Lafayette location. I'm Kenan at Primo RV Alexandria. I'll see you soon.